All right, we've got another delivery for our project boat. Many thanks to Raymarine for helping us spec and source these units. These are our MFDs that's going to go up on the main dash panel. We're going to recess or reverse flush mount these into the dash, and I think they're going to look awesome. We really haven't opened them yet, so I was going to do a little unboxing right now. So let's take a look and see what we've got. We got two Raymarine Axiom 9 pluses, two different size boxes, so I'm interested to see why. I assume there's one has the transducer with it. It's here. Right. I think they package well. I don't want these things to break in transit, obviously. We got the cable. I'll move this over here. I'm sure these are the same thing, so we'll start with the goodies. Okay. Inside the box, you've got right up front, there's the unit. Not wait to get to see these installed in the dash. Take this little bit of tape on here. This is Christmas morning. All right. Uncover. And there is a unit. Oops. Right. Excited to get these set up. We got a couple of jacks here. It looks like it's a network accessory. It looks like a little mini USB and power and NMEA 2000 and a transducer center only cable. And then we've got this cable, which is a Raynet female to Raynet female. So that will probably connect the two units together. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Yep. Underneath here, we've got a panel gasket. Okay, I'm not going to open that up. Documents, that must be instructions, etc. Comes with a gimbal mount. We won't need that, but it comes with it if you do. A couple other little brackets and knobs for the gimbal mount, it looks like, and something, what is this? And a cable inside here. So here's a couple cables. We're going to have to read the instruction manual to see how to operate these things, how to hook these things up. But I am excited to see them running. Excellent. Let's get this stuff over here, and we'll take a look at what's. This has got to be the same thing. Do the thing in it. Let's see what we've got. And this box. This is the transducer. Man, look at that thing. All right, so transom mount transducer. This is big. This is fancy looking. Look at this thing. All right, that thing's probably 8 or 9 inches long. Long cable that will go into the back of one of the units. I'm not sure. Looks like there's a penetration cover, so whenever you so it can it'll run up the transom and then through from there, and a couple of brackets, a couple little clips, bushings there, some clamps, cable clamps, some Glue on cable clamps, a bracket that surely mounts the thing, and one long bolt and nut. So we will see how to get this installed very soon. Thanks again to Raymarine for helping us source these products. Can't wait to see them on the boat and check them out.